Today we continue our HO scale railroad kits Dannen feeds build right now. So when we left off the last time, we had painted our windows and doors and gave them a wash of a mixture of black and pewter gray paint. Now we're going to add the window glazing. To add the window glazing, we're going to be using Takstar's clear part cement and window maker. We have our door and windows placed on parchment paper so that the glue and window maker does not stick. To use the clear cement and window maker, you just fill in the areas where there would be glass. So now I'll show you what we mean. Okay, here we go. Now we're holding the part down so that it stays in contact with the parchment paper the entire time. So as you can see, let's pop these bubbles. Okay, so now we just need to let this set up. Okay, now we got our windows and door weighted down, and we just need to wait for the clear plastic cement and window maker to dry. So the window glazing hasn't dried yet, so in the meantime we're going to paint our tar paper roof. To paint our roof, we're going to use grimy black. So we'll put some grimy black paint into our palette. Drop or two should do. And then we'll brush it on the roof. So we'll continue with this and then we'll be right back. So we noticed the kit does not have a loft door. So we're going to attempt to scratch build a loft door for the kit. So to do this, we're going to use our Northwest Shorelines chopper 2. We're also going to be using our 16th inch square trim pieces. Next, we need to measure the opening for the top and the bottom pieces of the trim for the loft door. So we have 7/16 of an inch. So we'll cut 2 pieces of the trim at 7/16 of an inch. And then we'll be right back. We cut both pieces a little long so we can file them and get them to fit just right. So now we're going to use our tacky glue and a toothpick and apply glue to the top edge here. Alright, here we go. Alright, so now we'll set this down like this. Take our piece. And drop it in there. And then we'll finagle it into place with our file. Alright, and there we have it. So now we're going to do the same thing for the bottom piece and the same for the sides. And then we'll get back to you. Okay, we've got the framing for the loft door installed. So now we just need to scratch build a loft door. Remember when I said save all your carrier pieces that were holding the wall sections? Because you might need them. Well, now's the time we're going to need them. So we need to cut a piece 1 5/8 inches high by 1/2 inch wide. Actually, only 5/8 inches high. Okay, so now we've got our piece cut. We're actually going to use the back side. So we're going to stain it with our black and pewter gray mix and then use our sponge to apply the white paint to the loft door. Okay, we've got our loft door installed and also the whatever it is that looks like some kind of hoist thing to attach a hoist to. This concludes part 3 of our HO scale railroad kits Dannen feeds build. Stay tuned for part 4 as we complete final assembly and weathering and also show you how to weather a tar paper roof. Now it's time for the Featured Friday Channel of the Week. The Featured Friday Channel of the Week this week is Luke Towan. Luke does excellent scratch builds and he also builds amazing dioramas. I'm including a link to his channel in the description below in this video. I strongly urge you to go check out Luke's channel and check out all his videos and subscribe.